I'm about to tell you. If you even accidentally follow it for the next 10 days, your YouTube channel will start growing like crazy, and within a month, you'll be making money from YouTube. And no, I'm not joking. If you haven't seen those Italian Brainrot videos going viral on Instagram, then bro, you're living under a rock. These videos are blowing up internationally, pulling in millions of views like it's nothing. Instagram is literally flooded with this content, and the smart creators, they're cashing in on this trend, creating these types of videos and growing their channels fast. Just look at this channel right here. It was completely dead, but after posting a few of these videos, it started getting millions of views. One of their uploads even generated $20,000 in revenue. And here's the crazy part. There's almost zero competition in this niche right now, which means this is a massive opportunity for you to jump in, start creating, and grow your own channel before it gets saturated. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can replicate this framework from scratch and how you can start making these viral videos the right way. I've spent over 6 hours researching and put together a full blueprint for you, step by step, to make this work. But first, let me show you exactly what niche I'm talking about.
Panzini, bananini, wah, wah, wah. Bananucci, monkey, monkey, monkey. Tung, 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 sahur. Anomali mengerikan yang hanya keluar lirili larila. Elefante nel deserto che cammina qua e là. Con la sua conchiglia è un bombardiro crocodilo. Un fottuto alligatore volante che vola e bombarda. Trallallero, trallallà.
Now the first step is writing the script. So open your notes app and start by writing this line. This is the hook of your video, because these kinds of videos always start with a strong hook. That's what grabs viewer attention instantly. Here's what you need to write. Next, head over to ChatGPT and paste in this prompt. Once you do that, ChatGPT will give something like this, and that's it. You've got your base script done. Now the next step is generating AI images. You've probably seen how these videos feature some weird and wild images, but don't stress, we've got a system. Remember that prompt ChatGPT gave you? We're going to use this prompt and paste it into an AI image generation website like Leonardo AI. Right now, I'm using Google Gemini AI for this, so just copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Gemini or any other image tool, and you'll get results like this. If you want more images, then go back to ChatGPT, ask for a new prompt, and type another one and repeat the process, and generate the images, and each time you'll get something different, just like I did. Now, download all the images you've created, and that's it. Now the next step is generating voiceovers. In these type of videos, you probably listen Italian language, and you might be thinking, wait, I don't speak Italian? And that's totally fine. You don't need to. We're gonna let AI handle that too. Head back to ChatGPT. Down below, you'll see a line like this. Here, copy that line and paste it into ElevenLabs. This AI tool will generate a super realistic voiceover for you with just one click. Just paste it here on the right side, search for the voice called Adam, then select it and click on generate, and boom, you've got a clean, natural sounding voiceover ready to download. Now, the next step is editing. But don't worry, you don't need any expensive software. We are going to use tool names like CapCut. But before that, there's one thing I forgot to tell you. You have to generate your entire voiceover at once. So here's what you need to do. Take the hook you wrote in notes and paste it into ElevenLabs. Then copy the full voiceover script that ChatGPT gave you and paste that too. Now generate your voiceover. Now let's move to editing. Open your editor and start a new project. Select the short ratio, 9:16. Now add all the images you created. Then add your voiceover. In your voiceover track, look for small silent gaps and cut them. This will make your voiceover sound fast-paced and super clear. Now click on text and type top 5 new Brainrot Italiana. I'm doing only 3 right now, but it depends on how many you want to create. Then click on text again and type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and position them like I did. Now click on your image, then click on animation and give it any animation that fits. I'm using this one here. Then click on effects and add this fire effect. You have to repeat this process with all your images. Now the final thing is adding the meme names. Type the name of the meme. ChatGPT already gave us names for each one. Copy those names and paste them here as captions. Make sure each name appears on screen at the same time as the matching meme. And that's it. Now just add the background music. I'll provide it in the description. Done. Your Italian Brainrot video is ready. Now export it and you're good to go.
Can you guess the name of these new Italian Brainrots? I bet you will answer wrong. Piccione Snacomatic, scegli bene o becca male. MuTV, trasmette solo latte e paranoia. Elicocane, decolla solo quando sente il postino.
But there's one last step, and it's super important, and that is consistency. Most new creators stop uploading because they're not consistent. Your first 1 to 3 videos might not go viral, and that's okay. You don't need to quit your channel. Just keep uploading daily. Eventually, one video will blow up. You just have to wait for that moment. And by the way, this niche is trending like crazy right now, so it's a golden opportunity. And there are a lot of other sub-niches inside this niche too. If I get good response on this video, I'll make another one showing you how to copy this channel strategy and make these types of videos. And clearly, you can see these videos are pulling huge views. That's it for today. If you want to know how I grew my channel from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in 30 days, then click on this video. Bye bye.